Let's try this thing. All right.
So this is a touchscreen. Adjusting your speed is just
Okay. Just like that.
I just want you to kind of pull off and go
Slow.
slow speed and then stop at the front because then I want to get you turned.
Okay. Shooting content with Ken. All right, here we go. A little different than the Ferris.
Are you full power?
Nope, but
There's 4 different speeds, so when you go full power,
it goes pretty good.
flip around and look, go right past me.
Okay. All right, we're on full speed now. This thing is something. Let me try again. This is very touchy. All right, I'm getting used to her now.
When you get straight, I'm gonna do a pull off.
Just rep it.